look like such a tourist right now. San Francisco hat. Got the e-bike. These hills are pretty intense on a bike. Oh shit, I'm gonna get run over here. My legs are on fire. Holy, I wanted to show you that hill that I did not make it up with a bike. Oh my God, that was intense. I just want to get a quick view. I'm gonna leave the bike. This hill is also insane. Oh my goodness. I'm like having a tough time walking down it. But hey, this is why we do it. I don't know what it is, for some reason birds have been coming extremely close to flying like right into me or right over my head. It's interesting, but it freaks you out at first. It's happened like multiple times this week, so I think the birds are trying to like fake you out or something. I know this will probably stir up some controversy, but I'm always asking myself this question: when you're riding a bike, do you have to wait at red lights or not? Excuse me. Sorry about that. I would love to know everybody's opinion. Oh, that's a close one. I think that if you're riding in the road, you should probably stop at a red light just like all the cars, but do I do it every time? I cannot say that I do.